A very good morning to all the students of class 3rd. Dear student, today we will study the 15th chapter of social science named as Kolkata. Dear student, we will study this chapter from the book Our Land, Our World. So, very first you should understand what are the learning objectives of the chapter. Dear student, we will study about the Kolkata in this chapter. So, dear student, let's begin with the chapter 15, Kolkata. Dear student, as you can see in my screen, this is the India's map and this is the position of Kolkata. Dear student, Kolkata is located on the eastern bank of the river Hooghly. This is very important question. Kolkata is located in which banks of the river? So the answer is Hooghly. Kolkata is located on the eastern banks of the river Hooghly. Dear student, again this is very important question and you can see in my screen what is the capital of West Bengal. So dear student, the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. This is very important that you should know what is the capital of West Bengal. Kolkata is the capital of West Bengal. All the important offices of state government are located here. तो बच्चों जो भी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के ऑफिस है वो क्या है वेस्ट बंगाल की कैपिटल सिटी कोलकाता में है. द गवर्नर चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड द मिनिस्टर्स लिव हियर. कौन कौन रहते हैं यहाँ पे? गवर्नर रहते हैं, चीफ मिनिस्टर रहते हैं और बाकी के मिनिस्टर्स कहाँ रहते हैं? कोलकाता में रहते हैं. क्यों रहते हैं? क्योंकि ये क्या है? कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ कोलकाता है. इसलिए क्या करते हैं? सारे मिनिस्टर्स, चीफ मिनिस्टर, गवर्नर यहाँ पर रहते हैं. कोलकाता is the third most populous metropolitan area in India. Again, this is very important question. Which is the third most populous metropolitan area in India? So, the answer is Kolkata is the third most populous metropolitan area in India. About 14 million people live here. कितने लोग रहते हैं यहाँ पे? 14 million लोग यहाँ पर रहते हैं. It is also a seaport. Dear student, Kolkata city is connected with the sea through the river of Hooghly. Hooghly river is so deep and wide that ships can come into the port of Kolkata through it. तो हुगली नदी क्या है? बहुत बड़ी है, बहुत गहरी है, तो इसके थ्रू शिप जो है कोलकाता में आते हैं और वहां से सामान का आदान प्रदान भी करते हैं. सामान की ट्रेडिंग होती है. Kolkata is a big trading center and an industrial city. कोलकाता क्या है? एक बहुत बड़ा ट्रेडिंग सेंटर है और इंडस्ट्रियल सिटी भी है. It is famous for textile, jute and pepper industry. क्यों फेमस है कोलकाता? This is very important question. Why Kolkata is famous and for what Kolkata is famous? So the answer is Kolkata is famous for its textile, jute and paper industry. As I am removing it, most of the people living Kolkata speaks Bengali. This is very important question. What is the language of Kolkata? So the language of Kolkata people is they speaks in Bengali. The Regional language of Kolkata is Bengali. The Bengalis are fond of paintings, singing, and other art. Their common food is rice and fish. उनका common food क्या है? Rice और मछली. They are very fond of sweets like rasgulla, sandesh, and chumchum. Made of cheese. किससे बनता है ये? चीज से बनता है. तो उनकी बहुत ही famous dishes है rasgulla, sandesh, and chumchum. Chewing of pan is very common there. पान चबाना वहां पर एक बहुत ही common चीज है. So I'm removing it. Let's move ahead. The festival of Durga Puja is celebrated here with great pomp and show. So, dear student, this is very important. What is the famous and local festival of Kolkata? The answer is the festival of Durga Puja is celebrated in Kolkata with great pomp and show. Dear student, people celebrate other festival also here. Football is the popular game in Kolkata. Dear student, this is very important question that you should know. What is the famous popular game of Kolkata? So the answer is football is the popular game of Kolkata. The climate of Kolkata is neither very hot nor very cold. ना वहाँ का weather ज़्यादा ठंडा रहता है और न ही गर्म रहता है. It rains heavily in Kolkata. It becomes quite humid during the rainy days. कैसा weather है कोलकाता का? न ज़्यादा ठंडा और न गर्म. और it rains heavily in Kolkata. बारिश होती है कोलकाता में बहुत ज़्यादा और वहां का वेदर रेनी सीजन में बहुत ही ज्यादा कैसा रहता है? ह्यूमिड रहता है. Some train run underground in the कोलकाता. कुछ ट्रेन्स क्या होती हैं? अंडरग्राउंड होती हैं. कोलकाता में अंडरग्राउंड चलती है. The train that runs underground is called metro. What is metro? That train which runs underground. The underground is called metro. This is again very important question. Which is the first Indian city which has the underground railway system? Which is the first Indian city which has underground railway system? So the answer is Kolkata is the first Indian city which has the underground railway system. Dear student, people also travel in buses and trams in the city. कौन-कौन से मोड है वहाँ पे? Bus and trams. A tram runs on rails through the roads. Nowadays, Kolkata is the only city in India where trams are running. So, dear student, again this is very important question. Which is the only city in India where trams are running? I am repeating it again. Which is the only city in India where trams are running? So the answer is Kolkata is the only city in India where trams are running. Dear student, Rabindra Setu has called Harbour Bridge on the river Hooghly is one of the main attraction of Kolkata. तो बच्चों रविंद्रा सेतु जो कि किस पे बना है? हुगली नदी पे बना है. वो कोलकाता का के अट्रैक्शन का एक मेन सेंटर है. वहां पर उसे देखने के लिए बहुत सारे टूरिस्ट आते हैं. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन कि रविंद्रा सेतु किस रिवर पे बना है? तो आंसर इज रविंद्र सेतु on the river Hooghly is one of the main attraction of Kolkata. The bridge linked two cities. हावड़ एंड कोलकाता। हावड़ ब्रिज किस किस दो चीजों को कनेक्ट करता है? रविंद्र सेतु किन दो सिटीज को कनेक्ट करता है? एज आई एम अंडरलाइनिंग इट, हावड़ एंड कोलकाता. The bridge links two cities, that is Howard and Kolkata. Dear student, this is the pictorial part of Howard Setu, Howard Bridge, named as Ravindra Setu. So, let's move ahead. This is the pictorial part. Now, a new bridge is called Vidyasagar Setu. What is the name of new bridge? This is Vidyasagar Setu has also been built on this river. किस river पे बना है? Hooghly river पे बना है. This is the pictorial part of Vidyasagar Setu, which is built on the Hooghly river. So I am removing it. Howard Bridge does not have any pillars to support it. हावर्ड ब्रिज को सपोर्ट करने के लिए कोई भी पिलर्स नहीं लगे हुए हैं. इन ओल्डन डेज दिस ब्रिज could be lifted on two sides from the middle. After the lifting of bridge, big ship could pass through. Now the bridge has been fixed. The big ship stopped at the Diamond Harbour, which is the present port of Kolkata. So, this is very important question. Where is Diamond Harbour is situated? So, the Diamond Harbour is the present port of Kolkata. Other places bird sailing in Kolkata are, what are the tourist places of Kolkata? Victoria Memorial, Birla Planetarium, the National Library, the Indian Museum, the Alipur Zoo, the Ravindra Sarovar, Belur Math, and Dakshineshwar Temple, and the Botanical Garden. Dear student, Victoria Memorial is made of white marble. Dear student, as I am removing it and I am showing you the pictorial part of these things. This is the pictorial part of Victoria Memorial, which is made of white marble. Birla Planetarium. This is the Botanical Garden. This is the Dakshineshwar Temple. This is the picture of Belur Math, and this is the picture of Ravindra Sarovar. So these are the main attraction, or you can say the main tourist places of Kolkata. Dear student, this is all about the chapter 15, as you can see in my screen, Kolkata. Dear student, we will study the 16th chapter in our next class.